The men suddenly found that they seemed to have the ability to pass through walls, as long as through the high-frequency resonance to achieve the same frequency of the human body and the wall, can make the molecules separated from each other, so as to cross the wall to achieve non-destructive penetration of the wall. Very soon, they crossed in from the outside. In order to verify his theory, they found another glass door, and there was no surprise. After the high-frequency vibration, they crossed again. Next, they began to try again and again. In order to master this skill, after repeated practice, they traversed between the walls have been used freely, and then they began to try the sewer iron plate experiment. There is still no obstacle, a drop, which gave them a bold idea. Then they were all armed and ready to go through the wall into the bank to steal money, and soon they used resonance to cross the steel plate at the back of the bank, easily into the interior, put on a blasting device, blowing open the combination lock, take out the valuables inside, and then he used the rope traction, reached the wall, holding the iron cabinet began to resonate together. Not a moment later, he traversed from the other side of the case is so easy to deal with. However, just as the last accomplice was ready to cross, he seemed to be in trouble. Due to the technology is not yet skillful, he was actually stuck between the walls in a dilemma. There is no way. In order not to be exposed, they can only shoot him. The man was thus left in the wall, and soon the police arrived at the scene in a blaze of speed. Seeing this situation, they also encountered for the first time how can not figure out how he was clamped in, so the doctor will be the dead man's arm cut down. Ready to do further research, through the wall of the secret is about to be revealed. After precise measurements, the doctor found a clue. He began to simulate. He poured rice into a glass, then took out a toy man and put it on, turned on the vibration switch, and the toy man quickly sunk in, which is the principle of frequency resonance through the wall.